How to log in to Hugging Face. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in into the website. First of all, open the web browser that you use. Here in this video, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any of the web browser that you use. Now in the search bar, search for huggingface.co. So you'll be entered here. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. So here on the first, you can see login. Tap on login. Now you must enter your username or password here. So enter both of them and let's wait for some time. Now simply tap on this login button. So you will be easily logged in. In order to verify if you're logged in or not, you can again tap on this tree line icon. So yes, you have been logged in and your profile is showing here. Now you can easily browse the Moodles and use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.